Look who it is. It's Theo.
Hey, Janice. How you doing?
It's Theo, your rebel with a lost cause. She loves this colour. Don't you, darling? I love you.
Is there a chance it will not work for me? There have been no cases of anyone surviving who has taken the preparation.
Daddy government hands out suicide kits and antidepressants in the rations, but ganja is still illegal. Most of my weed goes to Bexhill now. This bloke buys it from me and smuggles it in. Guess what he does? His real job.
Immigration cop.
Bravo. One of the many perks of having a refugee camp in the neighbourhood. Well, taste that. Cough.
Cough.
Cough. You taste it? Strawberries. This is strawberry cough. So, Human Project is having this dinner, and all the wisest men in the world are there.
Human Project? Why do people believe this crap? You know, even if these people existed with these facilities in secret locations, fuck me, that's strong. Even if they discovered the cure for infertility, it doesn't matter. Too late. World went to shit. You know what? It was too late before the infertility thing happened, for fuck's sake.
I'm still trying to tell a joke, man.
Oh, sorry. Go on.
No, I'm not telling it now.
No, come on, Jack.
No, fuck it.
No,
No, I'm
sorry.
not fucking telling
Go
it.
on.
Okay. The Human Project gives this great big dinner for all the scientists and sages in the world. They're tossing around theories about the ultimate mystery. Why are women infertile? Why can't we make babies anymore? Some of them say it's genetic experiments, gamma rays, pollution, same old, same old. Anyway, in the corner, this Englishman's sitting. He hasn't said a word. He's just tucking into his dinner. So they decide to ask him. They say, well, why do you think we can't make babies anymore? And he looks up at them, and he's chewing on this great big wing. And he says, I haven't the faintest idea, he said. But this stalk is quite tasty, isn't it? Eating fucking stalk. Eating the stalk. Italia. You okay, amigo?
Yeah, my ears are still ringing from earlier.
Ah, well, a little Zen music won't bother you then, will it?